Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I've been riding around so this motorbike. So I came along this beautiful canyon, very huge. I want to try and get inside, then I just share with you. I show you how it is. I can see people are inside there, so let me find a way to get in. Let me go this way, then I get inside. Very beautiful trees here. They seem to have stayed here for years, very many years. Look at this tree. So let me find a way to get inside. There must be a path here to get inside there, so that I can share with you. Look at this tree. Look at this acacia, beautiful acacia tree. Let's get inside there. Careful. There's a creek here, a dry river. Wow. Hey, you must be very careful here. Sasa unafanya nini? Mnaua ndege? Mmeua ngapi? Sasa mnaua kitu wako? Eh? Nani amechukua? Hakuna record, nachukua mimi. Sasa nataka ni kurecord. The guy just ran away. That is the point where I was standing, up there. And the valley keeps on going up to the far end. There are cows even grazing inside here. Wow. Sasa this valley is huge. Look at this. More than 10 meters high. So I'm inside the valley, but people just walk here comfortably. There are paths here, you can see. Small paths. And there is a small river here. But sometimes when it rains, there seems to be a lot of... Hey, look at this. This water is very clean. Let me put here my camera. Check if this water is clean. Yes, it is clean water. But not very clean to drink. see the water. The water is clean. It is a very nice place to chill. When you are bored, just come here. In the evenings there must be a lot of shade here. Just come here and chill. You see, it's very huge, very huge. Let me put this camera here first. So I saw here very interesting leaves. These leaves, these ones, you can see they have some needles. If they fall on your skin, they are very itchy. The only medicine to cure that itchiness is your mucus. That is interesting, yeah? Hope now you know. Very interesting. This thing is very long. I don't know for how long it has been here. You see the end? Very big canyon. The people stay up there. That is the fence. Even up there, there are houses. Haiwezi anguka. Naachilia tu. You see the walls? And it's kind of semi-arid. Very dry place. You see this canyon? If this place was a wet place, then there should be water here. All of it covered. Huh? Wow, it is so huge. People are just washing their clothes. There are cows there grazing. So it's a nice place to chill, away from the noises of the town. And you see someone has built there a very beautiful house up there. I don't know if you can see it. The problem is that I cannot zoom my camera. You see? Just at the edge. It must be a very dangerous place for small kids to play up there, because if they fall down here, you might pick them in pieces. You see, the county government was trying to build here some gabions just to prevent erosion, but I think this one is very small. This must have been a very shoddy work done by someone. Maybe pocketed the money. Remember, the county is Narok town in Kenya. And there are some people doing farming up there. So they are using this pipe to irrigate. See, they have guarded this water. So whenever the water collects here, they use it up there for irrigation. There is a small pipe there running, that one. Running up to the upper side, where there are those two acacia trees. The water is used for irrigation. Wow! So I'm still seated here after touring this beautiful, and oh, there is a school up there. Up there there is a school. I think it's a primary school up there. So I'm still ascending. Let me go back. The sun is very hot. It's January. Let us go back to where our motorbike is, then continue to other businesses. See, this place is very quiet. You can only hear birds chirping.